guys, we're going to be weighing the truck and trailer combination weight, and I'm going to be able to tell you what the weight is on a little later on the video. The steer, the drive, and the trailer axle weight, and the growth and the total weight of the truck and trailer. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go. I'm going to jump on here. So this is a certified scale, by the way, and I think it costs $10 or $11. Okay. Describe. So the way you do this scale right here is designed to weigh each axle, steer, drive, and trailer axle. So I'm going to be pulling up to the scale, and then I'm going to get the axle weight, which is steer, drive, trailer weight. Here we go. So if you notice the scale right here, they got squares. I gotta get on the. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get off, set the engine off. That's my steer, it's on that scale. That's my drive of the truck, it's on that scale. And that's my trailer axle, which is on that scale. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to. You are gonna go pay.
Okay.
All right, stay tuned, guys. Below what the weight is. We're gonna try to guess. So I'm gonna give you the weight a little later. So this is a SUV, a car, Toyota Tacoma, and a convertible Mustang. What do you think the weight's gonna be? I'm thinking 40,000. Okay.
We'll see. And I thought that he was going to put the Mustang on top and then the Mercedes on the bottom, but this makes sense because the Mustang is longer and heavier than the Mercedes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go pay. That way they can weigh the truck.
Go ahead. So it looks like on my steer right here, we're at 5,420. When I say my steer, is my front axle on my truck, and this is my drive. When I say my drive, is my rear axle of my Dodge, which is we're at 11,640, and then
so his front can be 7,250 and his rear can be 13,500.
Okay, so listen, guys. So right now on my truck, on my door, the most I could go is 13,500. I'm at 11,640. So we're gonna minus that, which is on my door. It says 13,500. That's the max. Minus 11,640. Okay, that's how much is left on my that's how much is left right here. I could put that 1,860 pounds more over here. If I would have put the car forward, I would have been almost pretty close to that number right there. But by doing this, putting the car in reverse, you're putting all the weight on the trailer. So my gross vehicle weight is 34,620. We are allowed 45.
Yes.
Well, actually, a little less. I'm at the combination weight of the 19,500 and 25,000 is pretty close to 44,000. So on my trailer, my trailer axle, which is right here, I'm at 17,560. I'm allowed 25,000. So we're gonna do the math. 1,560 minus 25,000. See, 7,440. I could carry that much more on my trailer. That's what's left. You have any questions?
Well, that says negative, but it wouldn't be negative. It would be 7,440 pounds that he can add to his trailer.
Yeah, well, don't look at that. The negative. Yeah. So actually we're almost how much did I say on this one? 1,700 or 1,800?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. So this is the important one right here to drive. And by turning these vehicles like that,
When he says
you're gonna put all the weight on the trailer. But even if I put all the weight on the trailer, I'm still at 17,560. If I would have put that in reverse, I would have taken off some of the weight on the trailer and put it on the truck. But you don't want to do that. You want to stay as light as possible on the truck. Put all the weight over here, because by showing you guys this, these trailers could take more weight, which is 7,000 pounds more. Well, it was on my phone, the -4 or whatever. So you guys have any questions, drop a comment below and subscribe please to our video. And this is a certified scale in Stockton.
So, like he's always saying, he always backs up the first vehicle so that he can keep less weight on this drive here. And as you saw, he was only 1,700 pounds from his max. And the car is backed up. No, the SUV is backed up.
See, I got it ready. Right, A lane, Mickey, right, go to your left, inspection bay 3. Right, left, inspection bay 3.
Our first time getting called in inspection at this way station.
About time, I'm gonna get my sticker.
What do you say?
I'm gonna get my sticker.
No, but what lane? I understood.
Bay 3.
3.
Yes.